In today's video, we'll configure our VTEC servos and 3D print the parts for the LeRobot SO101 follower arm. The first step is to install LeRobot. Go to the LeRobot installation guide linked in the description, then follow the on-screen steps to install Conda, create the environment, and install the LeRobot codebase. Once you've created the Conda environment and installed the LeRobot codebase, you're ready to configure the motor IDs and baud rates. For this step, you'll need your 6 VTEC motors, your WaveShare board, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Connect the WaveShare board to your Mac. If your Mac only has USB-C ports like mine, use a USB hub or adapter. Next, open Terminal and run LeRobot-find-port. Running this command also confirms that the LeRobot command line tools were installed correctly. LeRobot will ask you to disconnect the USB cable from the WaveShare board. After disconnecting the cable, press Return on your keyboard. LeRobot will identify the port used by the WaveShare board. Copy the port that appears because we'll need it in the next step. The numbers in your port may be different from mine. Head to the SO101 article on the Hugging Face website, which is also linked in the description. Go to the Follower section and find the Motor Setup command. Copy the command into Terminal. Before running it, replace the example port with the port you just copied from LeRobot-find-port, then run the command. The program will guide you through configuring each motor individually. Connect only one unconfigured motor to the WaveShare board at a time. Do not connect all 6 unconfigured motors at once. LeRobot will first ask you to configure the gripper motor. Connect one unconfigured motor to the WaveShare board and press Return. LeRobot will configure that motor and confirm that the gripper motor ID has been set to 6. Disconnect the motor from the WaveShare board and use your label maker to label it F6. The F stands for follower, and the 6 represents motor number 6. LeRobot will then ask you to connect the next motor. Repeat the same process. Connect one unconfigured motor, press Return, wait for LeRobot to configure it, disconnect it, and label it with its assigned number. Continue until all 6 follower motors have been configured and labeled F1 through F6. After configuring the motor IDs, go to the Bamboo Studio application download website. The link is in the description. Click on the Mac download button. It will download a DMG file. After it finishes downloading, go to Finder, press Option-Command-L all at once to see your Downloads folder. Inside, click the Bamboo Studio DMG, drag Bamboo Studio to your Applications folder to install. After downloading Bamboo Studio, open the SO101 README and scroll to Printing the Parts. The project provides pre-arranged follower and leader print files for different print bed sizes. For today, we only need the follower files. Import the follower file into your Bamboo Studio and check your printer and material settings before starting the print. On our Bamboo Lab A1 with the settings shown here, the follower takes about 12 hours to print. Your print time may vary. For this build, we're using PLA filament. You've now configured all 6 follower motors and 3D printed the parts for your SO101 follower arm. In the next video, we'll assemble the follower and make it move for the first time.